Notes can help you organize your project, keeping track of your work, and provide you with additional information from templates. They're located in the right toolbar here. If you enter a new stage that includes any notes, you'll notice that the note is highlighted to make you aware that there's additional information that you can investigate. Opening the notes gives you a list of created notes on that specific stage. And to create a new note, you simply drag and drop this into the stage, and you can even drop it into a related component. Now you can rename your node and write some relevant information. A node works almost like a stage, so you can also drag and drop images or other components into it if you need to do so. When you're done, you can simply close the node. There's no need to save other than your project. Now, you'll also notice that hovering the node we created highlights the related component. And lastly, if you wish to delete a node, you can hover any node and click on the bin. If you delete the wrong one, you can of course go back with undo.